Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix broken links on your Shopify site. Broken links can hurt your SEO and frustrate customers, so it's important to find and fix them. Let's go through this step by step. There are a few ways to fix links on Shopify. The first way is to go to Content, then Menus. From there, just click on your menus. We need to make sure each link is correct. For example, Home should go to the Home page, Contact Us should go to the Contact page, and Search should go to the Search page. Check that each link points to the right place. It's important to go through all of them so everything works as it should. Now let's double-check these updates across different pages. Next, go to Online Store. Once we're there, click Edit Theme. Now we need to check the social media links. Go through each social media link and make sure it's correct. We may need to retype or paste the links to get them right. Make sure every link is accurate and goes directly to the right social media account. Once we've checked everything, go ahead and save. After saving, all links should now be working on the Shopify site. Keeping links up to date improves the experience for customers and helps the store perform better in search results.